Hey guys, Dan House Washing Heroes, and we just washed that. So we are at Woody Point, just on the edge of Redcliffe there, and we've just taken care of these units. So quite a few mud packs on these, so quite high up there, but nothing to be too concerned about. And it's come up really nice. So most of the paint's pretty good. It gets a bit of a whack from the weather. You can see the storm blowing in and all the salt water and everything. So these buildings actually get a bit of a hard life. The paint gets a little bit beaten up, things like this wood, and just the constant salt spray that's hitting them really does make it something that you got to keep on top of. All this sort of metal, every little screw, like everything's got to be prepared for the salt water. And this is actually quite a big house, or block of units. So there you go. That's our job for today, and we've got another townhouse complex coming up later on in the week. So that's going to be fun. And happy days. See if we can beat this weather. The beauty is coming through. Catch you later. Bye.